first, I'm the realest. Drop this and let the whole world feel it. And I'm still in the murder business. I can hold you down like I'm giving lessons in physics. Right. You want a bad.
Hey jammers, it's me again. I haven't done a video with voice in so long. Sorry, I've just felt a little sick and my voice has been really scratchy. But yeah. So today this. Alright, this is the best dress ideas. Sometimes people just don't know what to dress like. Okay, on Animal Jam. So, I'm just gonna do, 1 second. I'm just gonna change into this animal. Act like I just got. Alright. So I'll be right back with the first dress idea. Here's a nice dress idea if you got for a boy Arctic wolf. And yes, I will be doing some for Wait, what was I saying? Oh yeah. Some for girls, but I am not a girl, so I actually won't be like exiting out being something like that. So I'll pause recording and be right back with another Arctic Wolf girl idea. Here's a nice girl idea for like a tomboy girl or something, but this is what I would like to see in a girl or something. I don't know. But okay, I'll pause recording and be right back for a boy idea for an Arctic Wolf, and then another girly girl idea. And then we'll be moving on to the foxes, I guess? Yeah. Okay, so here is a good boy idea. You know, if you have like the items or anything like that, it's just a good idea if you have the items. Hey, you could do the design and not even do the items. That would be cool. I don't know why I'm scrolling up and down my list. Alright, I'll be back with a girly girl idea this time for all you girly girls out there. So yeah. Here we go. I'm a girly girl. I'm a girly girl. This is a stupid girl idea if you were a girly girl. Yes, I actually have seen some people with this design. I am very disgusted by them. But, not offending the people who do that. Sorry, this is fancy. But, yeah. So, I wouldn't like to see any more people like this. This is just disgusting. It's actually offending girls. I'll be right back with the fox look. Here's a boy snow leopard idea for y'all, you all. God, I cannot talk today. For you all boy snow leopards out there, there's a nice boy snow leopard look. And this is a tomboy idea right here. This is a tomboy idea. Hashtag SMILEY. She has a channel too, so. This is Spirit Star's tomboy look. That's a pretty good tomboy look. Say that one more time. Post in the comments, hashtag Spirit Star. One more time. Alright.
First things first, I'm the realest. Drop this and let the whole world feel it. And I'm still in the murder business. I can